university textbooks are very expensive. No matter where you try and get them, they usually cost a whole lot of money, and when you're a student you don't have a lot of that. So I've found some nifty little alternatives available specifically for Auckland Uni and for anywhere in the world as well, which kind of counteracts the first point, but I'm talking about two different things, so you know, blah blah blah. At the beginning of the year I was very firmly set on getting my books, buying my books, specifically having my books that were mine and nobody else's. But money is a thing. And this is where secondhand books come in. At the University of Auckland, you may know some people who are older than you, who have taken courses that you are now taking, and maybe they can give you their old books. But friends, there is also a Facebook page specifically for buying and selling secondhand books, and you can go in and you can often look for your specific course that you're doing and see if there are any entries for that. And you may not find all of your books this way, but it's a great way to find books that are often in very good condition and still have the same, you know, editions you need, all the information you need, but for a price that isn't as high as, say, UBIQ, which is the new name for the university bookshop. I myself have started making use of the secondhand book page and have come away with this. A charming little, perfectly kept book for my English 109 course, Drama on Stage and Screen. Now the person who sold me this sold it to me for quite cheap, and she had also never actually read it. So, you know, sometimes you don't end up using books that you buy, but you can sell them off. Someone else will have a home for them, and I will be reading this, and it's great. It actually kind of matches my outfit. Oh, how aesthetically pleasing. Another option, of course, if you can't find anything secondhand or don't particularly want to go to the UBS, is Book Depository. Now, Book Depository is stationed in different places around the globe, mostly the UK and or Australia, and they have pretty much every book under the sun and free shipping. So you can get books quite cheaply. Last semester I got my European Studies textbook from the Book Depository. It took a couple of weeks to arrive, which would be the only thing. Make sure you get your books in advance if you want them there for the first day of classes, but for the cheap price, waiting a few days doesn't hurt. And like I said, it's a much cheaper alternative. So yes, those are just a few options, tips and tricks for what you might be interested in doing in getting books cheaper next year. Of course, specifically for like a law case book or for different books that have been put together specifically for the purposes of a course, you can't really buy those anywhere else. So you'll have to go to your specific faculty or to UBIQ/UBS. How many times can I say specifically for your course in one sentence? Who knows? But yes, Book Depository and secondhand books. I hope this has been helpful in any way. The semester has started up again and I am loving a lot of things that I'm doing. I spent a couple of hours earlier just reading Great Expectations because that's something I have to do for my education now. And it's not just loitering and reading and spending a ridiculous amount of time doing nothing at all, because I have to do it. I've got a few very interesting blog posts coming up with specific events in the next couple of months, so I will be hitting you with those, not in person, over the internet, not cyberbullying. I will catch you later. Bye!